If you're in Cape Town and wondering what on earth you can do and would like to take a day trip and you like penguins, well, you've got 3 different options. Boulders Beach is about a 50-minute drive from Cape Town city centre, depending on the traffic, of course, quite close to Simonstown, and it's a good stop to make if you are planning to go to Cape Point. The African penguin is also known as the jackass penguin because it sounds a little bit like a donkey, and you only find them in southern Africa from Namibia all the way to Algobe, which is where Port Elizabeth is. And they are endangered, so although it wouldn't seem like it if you look at the colonies, because the colonies seems like there's quite a lot of penguins. At Boulders Beach, it's not always easy to spot them between the boulders, and they are also laying their eggs and making their little nests in the bush next to the boulders. But on the beach itself, you can often see lots of penguins. There's some nice coffee shops in the area that you can go to. You can also drive after you've been to Simonstown. You can go to Noordhoek. There's a nice beach over there, and you can also go to Muizenberg. The other big penguin colony is at Stony Point, which is in Betty's Bay, which is about an hour and a half's drive from Cape Town city centre. It's quite a scenic drive. You can go either over Solari's Pass, or you can go through Gordon's Bay and see amazing scenery. Personally, I prefer the Stony Point penguin colony because it's much easier to see the penguins. There's really quite a lot of them there. But in saying that, they're still endangered. The ones at Stony Point, quite a few of them have been attacked by leopards in the area. But you won't see a leopard when you go there, so you don't have to worry. About 20-minute drive from Cape Town city centre, if the traffic is not so bad, you will find Table View, and there you'll be able to find Sankob, which is a rehabilitation centre for penguins that have either been injured, caught in fishing nets, or oil spills. And they rehabilitate them, and then most of them they will then free into the wild again. There are some that they haven't been able to set free again, and then they are there permanently. And it's really interesting to go and visit, and you can volunteer to work there as well. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, as I'll be posting many other videos about my travels and Cape Town.